Sorry, have you ever used an image editing app on your phone? Like this, or this, or maybe this? I'm sure everyone has used an editing app at least once, so you already know how it works. You pick a photo, choose an effect, and save it. Simple and fast, right? But have you ever wondered how this job is actually done inside the hardware? How does a colored image turn into a grayscale image? What really happens behind the scenes? If you're curious to know, then this video is made for you. Hello, and welcome back to Fun-PGA. This is Naz, and today we are here to explore some image processing stuff on FPGA. Yes. So if you're interested, then keep watching! Let's start with this question. How to take a standard digital image and manipulate it with real-time video effects on a bare metal FPGA. First, you cannot just run a software script here. An FPGA needs a strict clock-driven hardware pipeline. Also, hardware cannot read JPEGs or PNGs. You must convert the image into raw binary data and load it into block RAM using a memory initialization file. Once the image is stored, a VGA timing generator moves across the screen pixel by pixel, creating X and Y coordinates. A read module then turns those coordinates into one long address, so FPGA can fetch the exact pixel from memory. That pixel goes into a control multiplexer, where simple hardware logic applies effects in the real time. For example, if you average the red, green, and blue values, the FPGA instantly creates a grayscale image for you. Finally, the processed pixel is sent to the display, perfectly synced with the horizontal and vertical signals, so the frame is drawn with no delay. And just like that, a static image travels through memory, addressing, and real-time logic to become a live hardware-generated video effect. Now it's time to see how this whole system works on hardware. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you're interested in recreating this project, you will find the source code in my GitHub repository. Also, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with another project. Bye bye!